let's say you're ready to buy your Multipure system. Well, first of all, you go to bit.ly/Multipure-Dr. J. I've written that on here, so that's how you go. You go there to bit.ly/Multipure-Dr. J, and then this screen will appear. So let's actually put in bit.ly, bit.ly, bit.ly. And then I already have it up here, Multipure Builder. You come to this site here. Make sure that it says drjster@gmail.com, the Redwood Clinic J Sordean Multipure Independent Builder. Make sure that is at the top of the screen. Then you go down to Enter Site. Enter Site. You've already figured out what you want, so you go to Purchase Products. You just go down, straight down, and you go to Purchase Products. All right, here we are at the Multipure store page on the website. Let's say you've already decided what you want to get. You want to get the Aqualuxe. Estimated shipping date 4/29/21 because it's so popular. You want the Aqualuxe, so we're going to select More Info. Then this is the residential water purification system. That also certified to treat bacteria and viruses. This is the most advanced filtration system that Multipure has. It even has Wi-Fi connectivity, so it's connected through your home's Wi-Fi network. It can communicate via email when it requires a new filter cartridge or service. It also tells you when the replacement filter cartridge is needed. So this is very, very advanced, and it has the Wi-Fi in it. So you still have to choose how you want to get the water out. And remember that the Aqualuxe filter is $150 now. All of these prices are going up May 1st. And up until the end of April, when you order it with me, I have a special coupon code that will get you a free replacement filter along with the whole system. That's an extra $150 savings when you're working with me. So let's say that you're going to use this and you want to use a faucet with it. You're going to do this. Let's see, there's the inline unit only. That's just this. Countertop kit or the below sink kit. This is kind of beautiful, actually. So let's just do the countertop kit. You might want to do it underneath the sink with all the lights and the whistles and everything, the Wi-Fi. But let's do it on top of the sink because it looks so classy. So we're going to do the countertop kit, and it's going to ask us to select the faucet because there's no faucet that comes with the countertop kit. It just has a spout. Then we are going to choose no faucet here, and then we're ready to order and add it to the cart. Okay, we have this already designed to ship to postal code in California. So the exact shipping and the sales tax will be calculated when the order is processed. You can add in ordering instructions, and I will give you the promo code for this month that will give you, through the end of April, that will give you the free replacement filter for this system. But you need to contact me in order to get that, and we can walk you through the whole checkout process. So we're going to recalculate here. We've got everything on here good. Now we're going to check out. You can see again, make sure it's one drinking water system, the Aqualuxe, with the countertop kit. So the Aqualuxe will sit on top of the counter, looking really snazzy. and everyone will wonder. They'll go, ooh, what is that? Now, we'll go through the rest of this and how you finish filling out this order form to get your Aqualuxe sent to you as soon as possible. Hear about us. You are not an existing customer. You heard about us, heard about you through a Multipure independent builder. So choose Multipure independent builder. Then you are going to put my code in there. 43205. 43205. So there you enter 43205. So here you do Multipure independent builder. You put in 432075. You're going to put in all your billing address information here. Billing address. And then if it's the same address you want shipped, you just check here if billing and shipping are the same. Otherwise, you put in a different shipping address. And you can see here down here the little red stars. These are things that have to be put in order for the process to work. Once you put in your name, the billing address, the shipping address, make sure this says Multipure Independent Builder at the top and put in my builder code 432075. You go down here. You are not enrolling as a new independent builder and purchasing a starter kit at this point. But if you are, now see, there's the Multipure Independent Builder agreement that you will have to mail in. And so after you've done this order, contact me and I will send you the Multipure Independent Builder agreement. You fill that out and you have to mail it back to them because there's confidential information that you don't want just over the internet. Then you come down here, payment. Your credit card payment. You choose obviously Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. Put the card number in, card verification value, the CVV, name on the card, address for credit card if different from the above, expiration date. Then you also check the box at the bottom that you agree to the product purchase terms and condition. And remember that the Multipure filter case, that case is guaranteed for life. Guaranteed for life. Now you can't get that at a lot of other water companies. And certainly the filtration system itself being NSF certified, very few other companies have that as well. Customer privacy policy acknowledgement, you click I'm not a robot. Then you submit the order. Submit the order. So that's how you do the whole process, and you'll be well on your way to getting great water. Thanks so much, Dr. J. If you have any questions, get back in touch with me. And tell your friends about this. By the end of the month, all the prices are going to be going up because of pandemic costs of all kinds of materials. Pandemic really caused a supply shutdown in a lot of the different supply chains. So by May 1st, the prices are going up. So order your system now. If you're thinking of buying a system for a friend, buy it now. If you're thinking of having your friends do it, please refer them to me. I appreciate that greatly. Or if you decide to become a builder too, contact me. We'll send you the builder application after you get this, after you get your system. And once you've had one system, then you qualify to be a builder. You do have to buy a system to become a builder. And there's a couple other fees associated with that. But you could then have your friends start signing up under you as well. Thanks so much.